Welcome back to another Build.Collaborate AI and social rewards monetization tip. Monetizing your blog with artificial intelligence, AI, and social rewards can be an effective way to generate income. Here are some steps to help you achieve this. First, focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that aligns with your target audience's interests. This will attract more readers and increase your chances of monetization. Second, create a website and upload your content. Third, use social rewards technology to earn $1 each time your followers, including collaboration partners, engage with your content. Earn $10 to $90 when your followers activate advanced social rewards features. Fourth, use Pictory AI to convert your text-based blog into a short or long-form video. Fifth, utilize AI-powered ad networks to display relevant advertisements on your blog. Sixth, upload your video to YouTube, build your audience and join YouTube's partner program and share in advertising revenues. Seventh, join affiliate programs related to your blog's niche and promote products or services. AI tools can assist in identifying suitable affiliate programs and optimizing your affiliate marketing strategy. Eighth, use social rewards technology to list your calls for collaboration partners, guest speakers, and related offers. Earn $1 each time your followers sign up, free of charge, to connect with you. Remember, it's important to strike a balance between monetization and maintaining a positive user experience. Transparency and authenticity in your approach will help build trust with your audience and maximize long-term revenue potential. That wraps up our exciting update on how to make money with Monetize your blog with artificial intelligence and social rewards. Please select the links in the video description to find additional opportunities. And don't forget to subscribe to our AI tools and news channel. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date. If you know of a great AI product or tool, please subscribe and comment below. If you are an AI tools developer or content creator, please visit pampermenetwork.com and submit your free listing. Finally, if you know someone who can benefit from reading this content and the free AI tools listing, please share. Thank you for watching.